Hey, what's up, guys? This is Robert here with Dungeon Lair, and I have some really exciting news to share with you. We This is something that we have been working on for years now, and it's finally coming together. And we call this product Terrain Bits. And so, what is Terrain Bits? They are little blocks that you can use to build anything that you can imagine. So, let me share with you some of the first initial blocks that we are going to have available. So, these blocks are going to be floor tiles, they're going to be wall blocks, we're going to have wall decor, we're going to have traps, we're going to have so many different pieces that you can use to build anything that you want. So you can build dungeons, you can build castles, you can build little houses. So what is this for? This is for the folks who love to build dioramas, people who love to build their own dungeon layouts for their campaigns or quests for Dungeons and Dragons, anything. It's for the artist who loves to just build, who would love to have pre-made blocks that are textured, that look amazing, that fit together, and you build whatever you want. You paint it, you customize it, and then you take your creations that you have made and you share it with other people. That is our dream that we have been working on for a few years now. So let me just show you the basic blocks. This is our wood floor tile, and this is 1 inch is the standard size for miniatures for all your gaming. So this is a standard 25 millimeter miniature. He sits right on this 1 inch by 1 inch floor tile. And we have our cracked stone. This is what we call our cracked stone wall block that comes in a 1/2 inch by 1 inch. And then we also have the 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. And the question is, well, how do you put them together? Do they snap together? No, you use glue. So you glue them together, you paint it, you customize it with all of our wall accessories, and you share it. And you keep building if you want to have a dungeon layout and you want to add more corridors, more passageways, more dungeons, and you just build more. And this is amazing. I can't tell you, we received our first initial pieces from our manufacturer that we've been working with, just the test pieces. We have a very limited amount of them, and it is so fun just to sit here and just dry fitting things together, just to see what you could build just with the basic blocks that we have. And I can't tell you how much fun it is. It's just awesome. So we also are going to have this is 1/4 inch by 1 inch wall block, and there's just so many things you can do with this. You can build walls with it. You can build prison cells. Just amazing things. And this is a 1/4 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. Again, this is our cracked stone, and we are going to have so many different wall blocks, cobblestone, all kinds of different things. And we would love your input as well. What design would you like for us to make? We want you to be involved with this, because the reason why we even move forward with this is not only because we are artists, we love to create, we love to build, we love to paint, but we thought of you. How many folks out there would love to take these blocks and just build, build, build? And it's affordable. And I just can't tell you. I'm just so excited about this. And it's so fun to even be able to share this with you. And then also, here's one of our doors. This will come in 4 different pieces. Let me show you here. So you have the base, and this fits with all of our wood. All of our floor tiles will all be the same size, and they fit together seamlessly. You just glue them together, paint it. But the door is going to have your left side, and you will have your right side to your door. And then your door has these little hinges for the top and bottom. And they put together like so. Obviously this is not glued, but you would glue it, but they do fit together without glue pretty well. If I could just get this thing together. Also, before you glue the door, it's important that you have the door right side up. See how the door handle? That's the wrong way. It goes like this. So just make sure the door handle is facing downward. Let me get this other piece on here. And line up the hinges. Got this bottom one here. Need to get more light in here. I can't even see what I'm doing. Oh. I got the header the wrong way. Oh my goodness. All right, so that's much easier. So if your door doesn't fit together properly the first time, just make sure that the door header is correct. Okay, so here's the door, and the doors swing open. We're going to definitely have different door designs, different door sizes. I'm thinking about next door design. It's going to be smaller, and then I'm thinking that the door hinge will be on the outside, so you can easily remove the door and put a new door design in without, because once you glue this, you can't change the door, which is fine. That's okay. But I think our next door design, we were working on that to make it easier to swap out different doors. But anyway, this is the current door that we are offering. And so this is and I thought that I would kind of demonstrate how simple it is to build with the TerrainBITS. And gosh, this is just awesome. I can't tell you how excited I am to share this with you guys. But what kind of glue? So you want to use super glue. White glue won't work. Super glue works the best. And this is our super glue that we have available. And so we recommend our glue, but of course you can use any super glue. And this goes a long way. You only want to use a few drops. Let me push this up here so you can kind of see better. So I'm going to add just a couple drops. And that's all you need. And then the key is to make sure that you start with a good foundation. And this is our tool that we are going to offer on our Kickstarter. It is a mini aluminum square. This thing is amazing. And again, this is one of the tools that we are going to have on our Kickstarter campaign. This will help you keep your walls straight, align your floors so that they start out nice and square. So you put these together, put it down, and you want to start with a flat surface and put the floor pieces, line them up on your square, and then push them together gently. And that's it. Now, what I like to do is, especially for our wood grain floor tiles, is I like to crisscross the pattern. So instead of having the wood grain going the same way, I like to cross them up like that. Especially after you paint it, it just, to me, visually, it looks, I like it better. But it's your, whatever you build, it's up to you how you bake it. So we're going to do the next piece. I'm going to crisscross mine. So that one's going to the left. This is going to be going up and down. So let's put a few drops of super glue. And that is all you need. Get my square up here. Gently push them together. And you see how straight that the floor is? That's what you're looking for. And that's what this amazing mini square will do. It gives enough weight so that you can push the pieces next to it and they line up really easily.